Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study well for your exams. First, establish a clear study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. This helps ensure comprehensive coverage and reduces last-minute stress. Next, divide complex topics into smaller, more digestible parts. This approach makes learning less overwhelming and more effective. Finally, always prepare your study materials in advance so you can dive right into learning without interruptions. To truly master your material, engage in active learning. Regularly test yourself on what you've learned. This active recall strengthens memory retention significantly. Try explaining difficult concepts out loud, as if teaching someone else. This method reveals gaps in your understanding. Additionally, working through past exam questions is crucial for familiarizing yourself with the format and types of questions you might encounter. Your study environment plays a vital role in your success. Seek out a quiet, organized space free from distractions to maximize concentration. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions. This helps prevent mental fatigue and keeps your mind fresh. Furthermore, prioritize your well-being by ensuring you get sufficient sleep and maintain a balanced diet. These habits are fundamental for peak cognitive performance. On exam day, a quick review of key concepts can boost your confidence. During the exam, manage your time wisely. Allocate specific minutes to each section to ensure you attempt all questions. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for easy meal prep and other great deals. Finally, stay calm and trust in the preparation you've put in. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.